Introducing the 8-amp 12-inch electric snow shovel from Greenworks Tools. The instant electric start lets you immediately get to the task at hand without the startup hassle that comes with a gas-based tool. With a 12-inch clearing width and 4-inch clearing depth, easily maneuver around moderate snow conditions while displacing up to 300 pounds per minute. Lightweight and compact, easily transport the snow shovel from area to area. The 8-amp 12-inch electric snow shovel from Greenworks Tools promises to deliver where and when it counts.
E13-inch electric snow shovel. Clearing snow is now more fun and less fuss. The perfect size for decks, steps, and walkways. The Snow Joe 323E is ideal for quick snow pickups in tight spaces. Packed with a powerful 10-amp motor. Snow Joe 323E moves up to 400 pounds of snow per minute, and its durable 2-blade paddle auger throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches deep with each pass. And when you have even more snow, just give it another go. Start from the top and work your way down until you clear enough to the ground. Snow Joe 323E has a unique, patented back-saving design and adjustable handle to maximize comfort and minimize strain. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to transport and simple to store. Hang it from a garage hook, or for more convenient access, store it inside a hall closet so you can quickly clear a path out the door and to your car on a snowy morning. Snow Joe 323E is your reliable winter tool for quick and easy snow removal. No gas and oil to mix, no nasty fumes to inhale, no finicky starters or costly seasonal tune-ups. With just the simple push of a button, Snow Joe 323E starts instantly every time you need it. And every Snow Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. This winter, when it comes to snow, go with Joe.
Introducing the ultimate grab-and-go snow-busting tool, 24V SS11XR from Snow Joe. Combining innovation and functionality, Snow Joe provides an easy, convenient, and cordless solution to get snow out of your way this winter. Powered by Snow Joe's exclusive Ion Plus 24-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery system, 24V SS11XR delivers up to 27 minutes of battery runtime to quickly clear snow from your porch, patio, driveway, and deck, minus the hassle and headaches or tangled cords. The light choice is the right choice with Snow Joe. Weighing less than 10 pounds, 24V SS11XR shreds up to 2,025 pounds of snow per charge, while the dual-handle design eliminates the need to bend and strain, maximizing user comfort and ease of use. Equipped with a heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, Snow Joe throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing 11-inch wide by 7-inch deep path with each pass. And the durable scraper blade at the base of the unit lets you clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. And when the work's done, simply plug the battery pack in again so it's recharged and ready for the next snowfall for the ultimate and cord-free convenience. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe. The
80-volt lithium-ion battery and revolutionary brushless motor technology provides true gas performance. The 80-volt 12-inch cordless snow shovel quickly and effectively clears driveways, sidewalks, and patios. Get more power, torque, and longer tool life without the hassle of gas, thanks to the revolutionary brushless motor technology. With a 12-inch clearing width and 4-inch clearing depth, move large amounts of snow conveniently. Work in comfort thanks to the ergonomic design and adjustable auxiliary handle. The instant electric start gets you going instantly without the hassle and mess that comes with gas. No cords, no gas, no oil,